24 hours for peace. 24 hours to lay down your weapons. Live, my people. If I were president of the country, or prime minister, I would not sit back and watch Haiti suffer. I would take responsibility. I would say, we need our children back in school.
Without fear.
We need our mothers to sleep.
Without fear.
We need our merchants to work.
Without fear.
We need our drivers to travel.
Without fear.
We need the North and the South connected to Port-au-Prince again.
Without fear.
Then I would speak to everyone in the gangs, to everyone holding a weapon. I would speak with respect, but with firmness. You have 24 hours.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose life.
Choose peace.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose Haiti.
Choose Haiti. Lay down your weapons. Surrender peacefully. Choose life.
Choose peace.
Choose peace.
Choose Haiti.
Because it is the guns that allow the gangs to kidnap, to spread fear, to block the roads, to drive families from their homes and hold our people hostage. But the objective is not revenge. The objective is not more bloodshed. The objective is to remove the guns from our streets and bring life back to the streets of Haiti. After 24 hours, the Haitian government must take responsibility. The Haitian government must govern. The police and lawful authorities must protect the people. This is not a call for ordinary citizens to take up weapons for revenge. We need courage, but we also need discipline. We need strength, but we also need the rule of law. We need justice. We remember Vertiers.
We remember
the courage of our ancestors.
But today's struggle
is not about celebrating death.
Today's struggle
is for life, for the children, for our families, for Haiti.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose life.
Choose peace.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose Haiti.
Choose Haiti. And if you are a young person who wants to leave the gangs, Haiti must give you another path. We want to take the guns out of children's hands and put books in their hands. Education, training, jobs, a chance to begin again. But if you committed serious crimes, kidnapping, murder, serious acts of violence, justice must do its job. Laying down your weapons does not mean we forget the victims. Peace and justice must walk together. And there is another question we cannot ignore. If we remove the guns today,
how do we stop
more guns from arriving tomorrow?
Where are the guns coming from?
Who is financing them?
How do we close that door?
Because Haiti does not only need to remove the weapons already on our streets. We must stop
tomorrow's weapons from arriving.
And to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora, to those who want to return home, let us help them begin again. They are not returning with only suitcases. They bring experience. They bring knowledge.
They bring skills.
They bring dreams.
They can help create jobs,
build businesses, and rebuild Haiti. So I ask,
how do we get the guns
off our streets?
How do we save our young people?
How do we take back?
How do we take back
and rebuild Haiti?
Here is my proposal.
24 hours to lay down your weapons, but I do not pretend
to have every answer.
Haitians at home,
Haitians in the diaspora,
young people, Haiti.
Around the world,
What is your solution?
let us put our ideas on the table.
Not with hatred,
Not with revenge,
but with courage, with respect, with
justice.
with unity.
I want to see our children back in school,
I want to see,
our merchants back in the streets,
I want to see,
our families return home,
I want to see
the North and the South connected again. I want to see
the diaspora return without fear.
I want to see
Haitians raising our flag,
over a country at peace.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose life, choose peace.
24 hours.
Lay down your weapons.
Choose Haiti.
Choose Haiti. Choose life,
Choose peace.
choose Haiti. Because victory is not how many people we destroy. Victory is how many lives we save.
Victory.
Is when guns no longer hold our people hostage.
Victory.
Is when Haiti comes alive again.
Let us choose life.
Let us choose peace.
Let us choose Haiti.
Because every village has a song. Every family has a story. Every creator deserves to be heard.
Share your gift with the world.
Tim, but live.